Hi, my name's Neil Kemp. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of Aspen Kemp & Associates here in Owen Sound. We started about 15 years ago looking at what seemed to us to be an opportunity to provide better information systems to the marine industry. It started off with paper-based instructional manuals, technical manuals, which then merged into electronic materials. And as time went by, we started to see opportunities for us to develop better control systems for the industries that were out there. So we started moving into developing our own systems. And as time marched on, we did this more and more and began integrating our systems with other systems. Till finally we got to the point where we started developing, engineering, designing our own systems and fabricating our own systems, which is where we're at now. With respect to the hybrid tug, we were able to migrate technologies we were using in the offshore oil drilling market into a system that we designed specifically for harbour tugs. And we worked with a company in Seattle called Foss Maritime and helped them develop for one of their new build tugs the world's first hybrid marine propulsion system for a tugboat.
Hi, my name is Paul Jamer. I'm the Vice President of Corporate Development for Aspen Kemp & Associates. A conventional tugboat has a significant amount of power. In this case, it had more than 5,000 horsepower, but it didn't need that only for very finite periods of time. So what we were able to do is take a situation where you were idling diesel engines unnecessarily and creating lots of emissions and burning lots of fuel. By adding in technology that we'd adapted from the offshore oil and gas industry, we're able to run far fewer engines to produce the same results. So we're more easily able to match the engines that are running with the requirements that we have for the system.
It's very much like the Prius of the sea, in as much as we use a variety of different generation systems to provide power to the marine propulsion system. We do business all over the world. We have our manufacturing facility and our training facility in Prince Edward Island. Owen Sound was somewhere that I moved to as a lifestyle choice, and because we're in the kind of industry that can be essentially operated from anywhere in the world, we felt that staying provincial was a nice place to go. People
are pretty envious of the area in general. It's cottage country basically. People come here because it's a great place to live. The community itself seems to be one that people want to live in, and for us that's a big advantage. If you have your business set up in an area where there's nothing really holding people there, they might be headhunted to somewhere else and so on. People generally that live in Owen Sound wish to be here for lifestyle reasons, and if you can provide them with a good solid job that's challenging and has good benefits and salary, they're happy to stay with you for the long term.
It's a wonderful lifestyle here. It's a slower paced lifestyle, and people in our business are used to a very high paced lifestyle. So why superimpose that on your lifestyle where you live if you're doing that in your business? You can run a fast paced business in a nice slow community like Owen Sound, and it works very well.
It's just a great place to do business. It's great for families, it's great for a small town culture, but we're still able to do world-class things from this small town, so it's fantastic.